Hello and welcome to this presentation. I am Sanket Japuriyar on behalf of Group 6 and I am here to guide you through this presentation on our group project. So these are the group members. We are headed by our group leader Sasumana Chandana. This was the problem statement presented to us. We had to design a plan for a school building of the given specifications. We did so using 3D design software SketchUp. So these are some of the basic features of our model. We opted for G plus 2 floors, doubly sided corridor. We had 24 classrooms in total. We had additional rooms for principal office, staff room, library, laboratories, that is physics, chemistry, biology, and computer science labs. We had storerooms, sports room, music rooms, study rooms, and washrooms. We also had some extra rooms which can be utilized as necessary. We had playgrounds for basketball, badminton, and football. We had additional space for garden and parking. These are some of the specifications of the pillars, the walls, the windows, the doors, and the grounds. So these can be found here. This is the rough sketch that we initially prepared on paper, and using this, we conceptualized the whole design. So the building is divided into basically three blocks: the junior block, the senior block, and the common spaces. On the right, you can see the junior block, on the upper left, the senior block, and in the center or the left corner, you can see the common spaces. So the map of the ground floor is as given. We have the primary wing, that is nursery to 5th class, on the junior block, the right side, and we have the science classes for 11th and 12th in the senior block on the ground floor. We also have the offices, the reception, the computer lab, storeroom, dance room, music room, and sports room on this floor. Over here, the empty spots that you see, so this is for the entrance and the staircase. This is the map of the first floor. We have the junior wing, 6th, 7th, and 8th on the junior block, while the commerce sections for 11th and 12th are in the senior block. We have once again the physics lab, the library, and there's some additional rooms for study and an extra room that can be utilized as needed. So we also have two washrooms over here on the junior block and two washrooms in the common spaces. Of course, one for women and one for men. On the second floor, we have the secondary wing, that is ninth and 10th, and we have the arts section of classes 11th and 12th. We also have the biology lab and the chemistry lab, and once again some study rooms and an extra room. Now let's go through some of the photos taken during this construction. This was taken at a very early stage when we had just constructed the base. The spots that you can see along these lines, these are actually the spots for the pillars. So over here you can basically see all the pictures that we took during the construction of the model. Here you can see from the base we went to the construction of the ground floor that was completed, and then slowly we build up the whole school. So this is the bird's eye view of the school, of the finished model that is. You can see the football field on the right, along with the stands for the audience. You can see we have opted for two badminton courts over here and a basketball court over here. We have also the parking space over here, and of course, the main school building over here. So, these are some more pictures of the finished school. The front view, the isometric view can be seen here. So, now let me share some snapshots as we explore the finished model. Here you can see the main gate, the main entrance, as well as the central staircase. Here is a picture of the corridor, a picture of the basketball court, and here you can see the rooftop. Here you can see the badminton courts and the football field. So that's it for the presentation. Here you can see the contribution of each member. We were all involved in different parts, such as software design, making the paper sketch, the making of this presentation, as well as the video that we presented during class. Yeah, that's it. So thank you.